Good morning, all of you. So today we will continue with the topic microbes utilized in formation of bioactive molecules or compounds. So here first thing we have already discussed, that is streptokinase. What is first one we have discussed? Streptokinase. So it is an enzyme acting like fibrinolytic enzyme. Fibrinolytic enzyme. So here fibrin, nothing but fibrin threads, lytic, breakdown of the fibrin threads. So these are utilized in breakdown of the fibrin threads, so hence they are called as fibrinolytic compound or fibrinolytic enzyme. And it is obtained from which microbe? Bacteria or fungi? What is the name of the bacteria? Streptococcus. So it is nothing but streptococcus. And what is the bioactive property of this one? It is utilized as a clot buster. Means what? To dissolve blood clots which occurs generally during myocardial infarctions which are leading to heart attacks. Okay. So what is the blood clot? Blood clot is nothing but there is a mesh-like or network-like fibrin threads will be formed, and inside that what is entrapped? RBCs are entrapped. Because of this there will be obstruction in blood flow within the blood vessels. So this is nothing but blood clot. So this is formed due to conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin threads. Into these fibrin threads what are entrapped now? RBCs. Okay. So now what is the role of this streptokinase enzyme? I said it breaks the fibrin threads so that RBCs are released into the bloodstream. So in that way it is going to prevent the blood clots within the blood vessel during the myocardial infarction which leads to heart attacks. Okay. So this is the first bioactive compound. What is the name of that? Streptokinase. Okay. From which bacteria it is produced? Streptococcus. Now question, very important question. Streptokinase is an enzyme produced from Streptococcus. Is it modified genetically or as such produced from the microbe is utilized for this breakdown of fibrin threads? बोले तो naturally streptococcus से कुछ streptokinase enzyme produce हुआ that itself has the property of breaking this fibrin threads, or once it has formed, is there any requirement for genetic modification to show this action? Genetic modification is required. So streptokinase, this is very clearly mentioned in NCERT. So streptokinase after produced from the streptococcus is genetically modified to show what action? To show fibrinolytic फाइब्रिनोलाइटिक एक्शन. सो ये फाइब्रिनोलाइटिक एक्शन के लिए एंजाइम कुछ प्रोड्यूस हो रहा स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस से, that itself has not this property. It is undergoing genetical modification. Yes, enzyme is produced. enzyme आने के बाद उसके जीन्स को कुछ हम मॉडिफाई कर रहे, मॉडिफाई करने के बाद ही ये प्रॉपर्टी एंजाइम को आने वाले हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? आर यू एबल टू फॉलो दिस? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज which is produced from Streptococcus is genetically unmodified or modified? It is genetically modified to show the fibrinolytic action. Okay? So such questions only you have to concentrate. This everyone will remember, streptokinase bacteria clot buster बोल के, but whether it is undergoing any changes before showing that action or not, that you have to remember. So it is genetically modified to show that fibrinolytic action. Got it? Everyone? Any doubt in that? Then after that, second bioactive molecule, that is cyclosporin. What is the name? Cyclosporin A. So it is a oligopeptide. What is the meaning of oligopeptide? A protein which is made up of 2 to 20 amino acid. Protein which has number of amino acids 2 से लेके 20 तक अगर रहे तो उसको हम क्या बोलना? ओलिगोपेप्टाइड. इट इज एन एंजाइम, इट इज ए प्रोटीन. ओके, स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज इज एन एंजाइम, साइक्लोस्पोरिन इज एन यस, इट इज एन पेप्टाइड और प्रोटीन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए एंड फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड? इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम fungi now, not bacteria. It is now fungi. The name of the fungi is Trichoderma polysporum. So Trichoderma, genus name Polysporum, species name small letter underlined separately. So it is a fungi or bacteria? Fungi. What is the name of the fungi? Trichoderma polysporum. Okay? Now what is the role of the cyclosporin A? Listen now. Listen here. Cyclosporin has the ability to suppress the action of T cells. What are T cells? T lymphocytes, type of WBC. T stands for thymus. Okay, these T lymphocyte generally responsible for immunity. That means for our body, in our body we are able to fight with various microorganisms due to these T cells only. T cells will respond to the antigens and they are providing immunity to our body. Okay, so any time a foreign substance enter in our body, foreign substance बोले तो which is not there in our body, वो बैक्टीरिया भी हो सकते, वायरस भी हो सकते, फंगाई भी हो सकते, which is not there in our body, that is called as foreign body. Whenever a foreign body enters in our body, so who is recognizing that foreign bodies means T cells will recognize and immediately they start producing antibodies and killing that foreign bodies, objecting that foreign bodies. Okay, that means T cells are providing immunity to our body. They are providing immunity to our body. Such T cells are suppressed by the cyclosporin A. तो immunity देने वाले cells को क्यों suppress कर रहे इधर? And in what cases we are using this? During organ transplantation. During organ transplantation. Okay, so during kidney transplantation, even though blood groups are same, still body will not accept a organ. Why it will be not accepting means T cells will recognize that organ as a foreign body and they will reject that organ. Understanding? If such rejection is there, then what is the use of organ transplantation? No use. Yes or no? So in such cases, immunity को suppress करने के लिए we are using cyclosporin A. So this cyclosporin A is utilized in those patients who have gone with organ transplantation to prevent the organ rejection by the T cells. In what way they are showing the action? By suppressing the effect of T cells. Understood? Understood everyone? So what is the role of cyclosporin A? It is utilized by those patients who have undergone organ transplantation, and the role of this cyclosporin A is to prevent the rejection. What rejection? Organ transplantation rejection को prevent करने के लिए ये cyclosporin A is utilized. So let us write that one. So in organ transplantation, to prevent organ rejection by T cells, organ rejection by T cells, it is utilized. It is utilized. What is the mechanism of action? As cyclosporins suppress the T cells, as they are going to suppress the T cells, so T cells will not allow the or will not accept the organ which is transplanted. To make that organ acceptance by the body, we have to suppress the, and that work is done by, clear no? So during the organ transplantation, to prevent the organ rejection by the T cells, cyclosporin A is utilized. So what is this cyclosporin A? Oligopeptide. Okay? Oligopeptide obtained from bacteria, fungi. What is the name of the fungi? Trichoderma polysporum. Okay? Streptokinase is obtained from bacteria. Cyclosporin A is obtained from fungi. Okay? Streptokinase, clot buster, cyclosporin A. To prevent organ rejection by body, by the T cells, it is utilized. To prevent the organ rejection by body and in the body by the T cells during organ transplantation. Okay? Clear no? Then third one we will see. The last bioactive molecule, that is statins. So statins are the drugs which are utilized to reduce the blood cholesterol level. For what reason? To reduce the blood cholesterol level. Cholesterol is essential to the body or not? Actually, cholesterol is required for our body. How much it is required? That much only it should be there in our body. Excess cholesterol leads to blockage of coronary arteries. That leads to heart failure, heart attack and other heart related problems. Okay? So these statins, again these statins are obtained from a fungi. Obtained from a fungi. That too unicellular fungi. Yeast तो नहीं है अभी. Okay? So unicellular fungi, that is Yes. Anybody? Monascus purpureus. So Monascus purpureus is the name of these unicellular fungi. Okay, and these Monascus purpureus, what is the role of these fungi? It is a microbe which is used in synthesis of a drug called as statins. Okay, statins are obtained from these fungi. Now what is the role of this statin? Just now I said they lower blood cholesterol level in body. How? Tell me, you have studied human physiology, you have studied the circulatory system, there you have studied related to heart related problems. So you have studied cholesterol will block in the coronary arteries, leads to various heart related problems. Now where exactly this cholesterol synthesis will take place? In the liver. In the liver, due to the action of an enzyme, it is synthesized, and that name of the enzyme is HMG-CoA. What is the name of enzyme? HMG-CoA, beta hydroxy beta methyl glutaronic acid. Okay, so these HMG-CoA, it is an enzyme involved in synthesis of cholesterol. अभी ये statins क्या करना? एंजाइम एक्टिविटी को और एंजाइम एक्शन को सप्रेस करना. So how it is showing the action? Statins are suppressing the enzyme action which is involved in synthesis of cholesterol. Okay, so statins prevent enzyme function which is involved in, yes, which is involved in cholesterol synthesis. So no need to remember the name of enzyme, and what is the mechanism of action also is not mentioned in NCERT, but for remembering that statins you have to just one point if you remember, so you will not forget that easily. Okay, otherwise साइक्लोस्पोरिन ये क्या करते, स्टैटिन क्या करते, स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेस क्या करते, ऊपर का नीचे, नीचे का ऊपर हो जाता हो. Okay, if exactly mechanism you know, that will be easy to memorize. So what statins are doing? Statins are reducing the cholesterol level in the body. How? By preventing the action of one enzyme which is involved in synthesis of cholesterol. Where are you? Listening? Which is involved in synthesis of cholesterol. Okay, so these are the three bioactive, yes, these are the three bioactive molecules utilized by the human beings for the sake of saving their life, right? So all the three are life saving drugs. Okay, yes or no? Life saving drugs बोल सकते हैं हम. Streptokinase is preventing clot formation. Cyclosporin is preventing organ rejection by the body during organ transplantation. Organ transplantation नहीं करे तो भी that person will die. If we do the organ transplantation also, that person will die because body is not accepting. So to make forcibly accepting, what we are doing? We are giving the cyclosporin A. Throughout the lifetime we have to give this cyclosporin A. Understanding? Yes. Then other one, statin. Statins are nowadays they become very common drug prescribed by the doctors to the heart patients. Why? Because it will be lowering the cholesterol level. Okay, ECG में थोड़ा भी disturbance आ गया, so they will prescribe the statins. Okay, got it? So three of them are life saving drugs in human beings. Okay, So this is all about the bioactive molecules. After this, next one we will see sewage treatment. So fungi से obtain हो रहा, bacteria से obtain हो रहा, okay? And what is its role? That all are very very important. Streptokinase topic में the term you neglect is, it is genetically modified enzyme. It is not natural enzyme from the streptococcus. After obtaining from the streptococcus, certain genetical modifications are done in that enzyme. So that point you will be neglecting. So I stressed that it is a genetically modified enzyme. Next important topic, sewage treatment. Clot buster is obtained from bacteria or fungi? Then the compound which is reducing the blood cholesterol level is obtained from fungi or bacteria? Fungi. What is the name of that fungi? Huh? Monascus purpureus. Monascus purpureus. Then which of the fungi? The name of the fungi is Trichoderma polysporum. It is from these, what is a bioactive molecule developed? Cyclosporin का role क्या है? It will suppress the T cell during the organ transplantation to stop the or to prevent the organ rejection by the body. Revision भी क्लास में ही होना. घर जाने के बाद just you have to, हाँ, घर और हॉस्टल जाने के बाद क्या करना? MCQ सॉल्व करना बस. ठीक है? You have to solve the MCQs. So within the class, whatever you have studied today, just to go through NCERT once and then start immediately solving the MCQs. Number of times I am stressing, those who are giving equal importance for synopsis as well as MCQs, definitely they are going to get very good marks. Continuously if you read the NCERT, that means synopsis के ऊपर ही concentrate करें ना. You don't know in what way they are going to frame the question. To have an idea how the pattern of asking question, definitely you have to solve the MCQs. Okay, concept is clear to you, but still the way he is framing the question may confuse you. That's why as soon as you finish reading the synopsis, you have to solve the MCQs. Okay, so by continuously doing this procedure during revision time, once if you read the complete chapter, you will be able to give the correct answer for MCQ without completing reading the question only. Okay, such a confidence you will get. Okay, why? Because number of times you did that MCQs, no, so you can analyze what is the question he is asking. I think you have experience. In first year also you have experience with the units which you are perfect. Okay, so you should be perfect not only with 1 or 2 units, you should be perfect with each and every unit. Do you know that pattern has changed in 2021? So now botany, zoology together it is not there. They were separated. Botany 45 questions strictly and zoology also 45 questions. Earlier many questions were coming from zoology and a few questions from botany track. That means about 40 from botany or remaining from zoology, like that. But now they have completely divided botany as well as zoology as a separate stream. Okay, so physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. So you have 4 classifications here. Understood? And you have in each subject, again he divided into 2 sections, section A, section B. Section A is having 35 questions. Section B is having, which is having choice? B section. B section is having choice. Okay. So in that choice you have to do 10 questions. Whenever he is giving choice, definitely the way of asking questions will be twisted, logic, difficult. Okay. So keep that point in your mind. If this year they have introduced means when you write the exam, the standard may be improved. Definitely they are going to ask maximum questions from NCERT only. Okay. But the way he is asking will be different. Okay. Where you are neglecting, that point is concentrated by the examiner. Okay. So in the NCERT lines where you are neglecting, which concept is not clear, that points only going to get in the exam. Okay. So that's why concentrate. So microbes used in sewage treatment. You may be thinking only ये छोटा यूनिट है, इसका वेटेज बहुत कम है, so we will neglect this chapter. You can't do that. Why? Because one question is going to decide whether you are going to become doctor or not. Only one question, only 4 marks. No need ma. Keep that in your mind. That is enough. Okay. So don't neglect. Competition is day by day. Competition is becoming very severe. Okay. If paper is easy, into the competition, even KSET students will also come. If paper is difficult, then that students will not come. You will be there. Okay. So if paper is easy, so one question is also deciding your rank as well as whether you are going to become doctor or not. Okay. So think this is where, yes, casually ले रहे क्या इसको? And then why, for what reason you are getting laugh? Huh? Yes. So sewage treatment is done in an equipment called as sewage treatment plant. The sewage treatment plant is abbreviated as STP. Standard temperature pressure नहीं है अभी ये. This is now sewage treatment plant, also called as effluent treatment plant, ETP. Effluent treatment plant or sewage treatment plant. Okay. So plant बोले तो green plant नहीं है. These are the large sequentially arranged vessels in which the with the help of microbes sewage is treated. Sewage is purified. Okay. Now let us begin what exactly sewage means. What do you mean by sewage? Sewage is nothing but municipal waste. So it is municipal waste, consists of both liquid and solid waste. Collected from towns and cities, and they are carried off. So it is a municipal waste, consists of both solid waste as well as liquid waste, and which is collected from the towns and cities. From there they are carried off. That is consists of sewage. So sewage बोले तो एक simple term, it is municipal waste. Okay. Now these, whatever we are calling municipal waste, it consists of various components like large organic wastes, and इसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या रहता है? Human excreta. The major component of the municipal waste is human excreta, organic waste as well as pathogenic microbes which causes various diseases. So इसमें large amount will be human excreta. So municipal waste में हाँ carried off बोले तो उधर से आ रहे बोल के municipal waste. Okay, so it is collected from towns and cities, from there they are carried off. Okay. So municipal waste consists majorly organic waste, human excreta and pathogenic microbes. इसमें से large amount कौन सा रहता municipal waste में? Human excreta. This point is very much clearly mentioned in NCERT. So among the various components of municipal waste which is present in large amount, human excreta. Okay. Yes, such a sewage water can be directly passed into the natural water bodies like rivers, pond, lakes, etc. If they are directly passed into that, so total water bodies are getting contaminated or polluted. Yes or no? Finally, the sewage must be transferred to the water bodies only. But before that, before passing into that should be treated. For what? For reducing the organic waste maximally, to remove the human excreta, to remove the pathogenic microbes. When these all are removed, whatever the water which is there, that is very less polluting water, such water can be released into the water bodies, natural water bodies. Okay. So as the sewage contains, as sewage causes pollution of water when they directly passed into natural water bodies like majorly rivers में ये होता. So one example you write rivers. So as sewage causes pollution of the water when they directly released into the natural water bodies, hence what we have to do? Hence treatment of sewage is very important. So hence treatment of sewage is done. Now how this treatment is done? How that municipal waste water is treated, that you have to know. So what are the various steps involved in STP? Steps involved in STP. First thing, primary treatment. Primary treatment. Second, secondary treatment. And tertiary treatment is also done. Tertiary treatment is also done. But this point we are not bothered because it is not there in NCERT. Okay. So primary treatment, it is a physical process. It is a physical process. So what we are telling there? Microbes used in sewage treatment. But at the first step we are not using any microbes to treat the sewage water. Okay, but second step is a biological process. बोले तो microbes are used here. Okay. So what are the steps involved in sewage treatment? Primary, secondary. Primary treatment is physical process. Means in this step no microbe utilized. Microbes are not utilized. Secondary treatment में microbes are utilized. That's why it is called what method? Biological method, biological step. Whereas first step is physical process. Okay? Understood, ma? So sewage is nothing but municipal waste which consists of both solid and liquid waste which is collected from towns as well as cities. Such sewage water majorly consists of three important pollutants. What are they? Organic waste, human excreta, pathogenic. इसमें से ज़्यादा अमाउंट कौन सा है? Yes, so such a sewage water having so many pollutants can be directly released into the water bodies? No. That should be treated, means make it as very less polluted, then you have to release into the water bodies. So how this treatment is done? Treatment is done in sewage treatment plant by how many methods or how many steps? Two steps here. One is primary treatment, second one is secondary treatment. Primary treatment is, why it is physical process? Not utilized. This is biological method because here microbes are utilized. Got this? Everyone? So what is the method involved in primary and secondary treatment? We will continue in the next class. Thank you all of you.